Hi, this is Mary with Kiss My Yarn. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Eastern knit stitch. This will be used when you have an Eastern mounted stitch, meaning the leading leg, the leg leading to the stitch before it, is on the back of your needle and not on the front. You stick your needle in, your working needle, into that stitch from front to back. You pick up the yarn in a clockwise manner, going over the top of the needle like this, and then just pull it through. It is a very easy stitch. That clockwise manner is what sets up the stitch on the next row to be knit in the same way. So let's try that one more time. Stick your needle in from the front to the back, pick that yarn up clockwise, and just pull it through that stitch. Front to back, clockwise, and pull it through. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please hit the like button. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and hit subscribe if you would like more knitting videos on the Eastern style or the Eastern method of knitting.